Here we are in Rincon, Puerto Rico. This is after Hurricane Maria, and what Maria did was pushed over a lot of our coconut palms. They're really heavy up on top, and when the wind came, it just pushed these suckers over, especially with wet roots. So we're going to attempt to upright these. What we're going to do is use a winch and some toe straps. I had some rope, but I think that this toe strap is going to be a lot stronger. I don't know how much effort it really takes to raise one of these, but we're going to find out. I also have a 2-ton winch. We're going to connect it to a fence post and see if we can't pull this up. The thing about coconut trees is you can't cut them like a regular tree and have them rebranch. You can't cut that top spire or it'll kill them. This one's just leaning over so it's still alive, so we have to be able to raise it. This is what we're going to use. This is a come-along. It's a 2-ton. And it's a very powerful device, has a long lever, and will pretty much pull anything, even a vehicle, probably in park. These things are incredibly strong, and it's got another pulley at the end. So this is what we're going to use to upright the tree. So I've attached the rope to the tree and the fence, and the bottom of the fence is a fence post that's cemented in the ground, so it should hold for a little while. I don't know how much pressure it's going to take. And now I'm wetting down the base of the tree so that it softens up the dirt a little bit. Make it easier to upright, I hope. So I guess this is the lesson, is that steel cable and this winch is much stronger than this toe strap. It just sheared right off. Guess we'll have to find a stronger rope.
Get a rope.
I've got a toe strap. It's a 6,000 pound toe strap wrapped around the palm tree itself. And that is hooked to the winch on the back of this truck. This is like what you'd find on a Jeep. I tried this previously with a small tie-down strap and it broke. Kind of looked dangerous, so I got a much heavier gauge everything. This is a 4,500 pound winch, a 6,000 pound tow rope, and the best part about it is it has a remote, so I can stand far away while I reel this sucker in and pull it up. We'll see how this goes. Whoa, it's moving the truck.
It's a heavy palm tree.
Okay, so what I've done now is it's starting to pull down instead of up. So I've propped it, and I'm going to reposition the rope and the truck to have a little bit longer spread, so instead of compressing it, it pulls it from the top more. So I'll get started on that.
Uh-oh.
So the tree is not perfectly straight, but I think at this point the base is starting to make some cracking noises and it's getting really stressed because we're pulling on it so hard. I don't want it to break at the bottom. I'm going to leave it there, prop it with some boards, and then possibly at a later date we might try to straighten it some more, or that tree will actually just kind of curve I see a lot of times in the tropics, coconut trees have some pretty wicked curves in their trunks, and now I know why.